Welcome to Q&A Wire.
Hi, here in this given problem between the terminals A and B, this is the mixed grouping of 4 capacitors. Out of these 4 capacitors, 2 capacitors are in parallel and then all these are in series with each other. Starting from this 10.0 microfarad, these two which are in parallel, that is 5.0 microfarad and 8.0 microfarad, and the last one, that is 9.0 microfarad. Potential applied between the terminals VAB, that is 50.0 volt. In the first part of the problem, we have to find net capacitance of this combination. So first of all, as this 5.0 microfarad and 8.0 microfarad are in parallel, so their net capacitance CP, P stands for parallel, that will be given by 5.0 plus 8.0 microfarad, which comes out to be equal to 13.0 microfarad. Now 10.0 microfarad, this CP, and 9.0 microfarad all are in series combination. So their net capacitance CAB, that will be given by 1 by CAB is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 13 for CP plus 1 by 9. Its LCM, that is 130 multiplied by 9. So here it comes out to be equal to 13 multiplied by 9 plus 90 plus 130. So this CAB calculated to be equal to 3.47 microfarad. Answer for the first part of this given problem here. Then in the second part of the problem, we have to find charge in this circuit. So simply QAB will be given by the product of capacitance with the potential applied, VAB. 3.47 multiplied by 50. So this charge in the circuit, that is 173.6 microcoulomb. Answer for the second part of this given problem. Then in the third part of the problem, we have to find charge over 10 microfarad, and we know as charge remains same in series, so the charge over 10 microfarad capacitance, this is the charge Q over 10 microfarad, that will be equal to total charge QAB, means 173.6 microcoulomb. Similarly, in the fourth part of the problem, charge over 9.0 microfarad capacitor, that will also be 173.6 microcoulomb. So these two are the answers for the third and the fourth part of this given problem here. Thank you.